Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix audio message transcription not working on iPhone and iOS 17. Audio message transcription is one of the encrypted feature released in iOS 17. It supports transcribing audio message into plain text in real time, allowing folks to text the audio message at glance without tapping on it. However, folks already upgrading to iOS 17 said the audio message won't automatically be transcribed, and some even pointed out that audio message transcription works randomly. If you are also encounter the iOS 17 audio transcription not working issue on your iPhone, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is update iOS version. Audio message transcription is unveiled on iOS 17, so you need to upgrade the iOS version to iOS 17 before anything. If your iPhone runs with iOS 17 beta version, you should upgrade it to the latest one, avoiding iOS bug remaining on the iOS system. To update official iOS 17, go to Settings, click on General, click on Software Update, and here you will see the new update. Make sure that you upgrade to the official update. So once you have done this, then move on to the next step. The next step is change your language and region. Only the United States region is currently supported with the audio message transcription. Therefore, try to switch iPhone language and region to the English and United States. You can go to Settings, click on General, click on Language and Region, and then simply select United States and change to United States. And it will take a few seconds to change your region. So once the region is changed and if it's still not working, then the last step is restart your iPhone. Sometimes program error in system iOS may prevent some feature from being used properly, like audio message transcription not working on iOS 17. Restart is an official way to fix most system issues on your iPhone. You can press the volume up and power button to restart your iPhone. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.